Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to discuss about cloning. How we can clone our GitHub repository. Now, this is very important because if you are working from the different computers, it is very easy for us to clone our repo from one computer to another. To understand this example practically, I have two different systems. Here, this is my Windows system. Okay, this is Git Bash of Windows system. It is colorful, and this one it is Linux system. Okay, now what I am doing, I am going to create one GitHub repo. Then I am going to push commit from my local Windows system, and then I am going to clone this repo in the Linux system. Okay, so let me explain you all this step. First of all, I am going to my GitHub. I don't have any repo, so I am going to click on create repo. I am creating a public repo. Okay, let's give name Fox. Okay.
Hello everyone, sorry to disturb you. I am sure you guys are enjoying our GitLab course. If you want full access of this course having 83 videos, you can enroll it from our portal. First 100 students will get special discount. There is some limitation on YouTube, we are unable to give you support, but once you become our community member, our instant support is included, lifetime updation, completion certification, and additionally, weekly lifetime live session with our expert Bhavesh Atara. We want to improve your skills anyhow, so that's why we added 5 projects as well. We are also available on Udemy. Still, you have any doubts, any queries, you can contact me on my personal number. Thank you. You can enjoy.
This is public, and let me click on create repository. Now, once you have your repository, it is done. I'm going to the local Windows system. Okay, this is my Windows system. Now, here I am going to create one folder. You can give any name. I am going to create a local repository. Okay, so I'm going to give name like let's say that Win. Okay, going to this system, cd Win, and here I'm going to initialize. I'm going to create a local repo, right? So git init. Now it is local repo. I want one commit as well that I can send it to my remote system. Okay, so I'm going to create one file. Let's say that vi winfile.txt. Okay, here I am typing hi, I am from Windows system. Okay, saving this WQ. Now I am going to add this file into the staging area. Git add winfile.txt. Again, I am going to create one commit. Git commit dash message. Okay, version 1, and now I'm going to, you can give name, okay, like winfile.txt. Now I want to commit these changes to the remote repository. Okay, so in this case I have to have a GitHub URL. Right here I'm going to say that git remote add origin. Okay, and then you have to type URL. Added successfully. Now I'm going to pull this. Okay, push this. Git push. There is u origin, and we have master branch. Okay, done. And if you look at over here, you will get this code and you will also get this commit. Okay. So right now I have this particular file and commit in this remote repository. Now what I'm doing, I'm going to the Linux file system. Here I'm going to create one directory, mkdir, and let's say that my AWS, okay, just creating this folder. Now I'm going to this my AWS, okay. Now I don't need to do anything, even it is not GitHub repo, okay. I'm just going to give the command git clone, okay. You can clone any public repo here, okay. Because we have our own, I'm going to use this. Here you will get this code, okay. I'm going to copy this and it is pasting. Now it is pasted. Now once you paste this, here it will create one folder with the name Fox because it is our repository's URL, right? Now I'm going to the Fox, okay. If you give ls command, here we got all the files that we have in the repo. Also, it is a GitHub repo, right? So if I'm going to give the command git status, okay, see, I'm getting this on your branch or your branch is up to date. It is like a same repo copied into my system, okay. Now you do not need to add the remote repo or anything over here. Everything is ready, and even you can push and pull all these codes from this particular repo. So this is how you can clone any remote repository, okay, from your local repo. There is one another option that we need to understand as well, which is known as fork. Okay, let's say that you are seeing some of the repo, okay, and you want this repo into your system. Okay, let's say that it is directly to the GitHub. Okay, let's say that I'm going to Google this, okay, and I'm going to say AWS Git repository sample code. Right here, I have some AWS samples. Okay, I am already logged into my GitHub account. Okay, so here we have some samples. So here it is like AWS CDK example. Okay, and I thought like whatever we have inside this, because it is a public repo. Okay, whatever I have inside this, okay, I want this into my own GitHub account. If you look at into my GitHub account, okay, I have only one Git repository. If I'm going to this, okay, now what I'm doing, I'm going to fork this. See, yes, you can click on create fork. Okay, so whatever you have inside this repo, now it is in your repo as well. Okay, so if you click over here and if you refresh this, see here we have two repo, right? So now you can clone this. Even without fork you can clone this, but this is this particular repo is now in your account and you can directly manage this from your account. Okay, so this is all about cloning and fork of AWS. Sorry, it is of GitHub. Thank you very much. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Goodbye.